What's up, all my cool cats? Jamie with the Kitsune channel here. Hope you're having a meow-tastic day. Now, before we get too far, it would sure make our hearts purr if you could swat that like button, tail whip the subscribe button, and boop that notification bell to stay up to date with all of our videos. Next, we want to make an announcement that we have changed our channel name. It used to be Kitsune, and now it is Kitsune Siberian Forest Cats. And we think this new name more clearly represents what our channel is about. We think just calling it Kitsune can be a little bit confusing because that's just one name of one of our cats, and really Kitsune means fox in Japanese, so we didn't think it very clearly represents what kind of content we're trying to bring you. And now, since we have added Maneki to the cool cat crew, and they both are Siberian forest cats, we think that more represents the cat content we're bringing you. And for any new viewers, what we like to focus on are adventure videos with our cats, taking them hiking, showing you how we take care for them, how we train them to go on hikes, how we train them to do tricks, and just generally their super cute lives, playing around the house, and just being oh so adorable. In 2019, we want to continue bringing you more excellent Adventure Cat content, but we do want to apologize and to explain to our loyal fans that we haven't posted an adventure video in a few months. So, we live in Summit County, Colorado, and it's 9,000 feet above sea level. We can get snow 9 months out of the year, and while that doesn't happen every year, as you can see, it is a common occurrence. And when it's windy and snowy and rainy and cold, honestly, the cats, they aren't as excited about that kind of weather as they are in the summer and spring. So we always want to respect our cat's wishes and our cat's boundaries. And really, as Kitsune has gotten older, she's about 3 years old now, we have learned she is more of a fair weather cat. So we want to respect that part of her and only take her on hikes when she really is going to enjoy it. Now, Maneki, she's still a kitten. She's going to be 1 year old in about a month. And she is much more gung-ho about going out in any type of weather, really like Kitsune was when she was a kitten. But as Maneki is coming up to her birthday, we are starting to see some of these preferences in the weather in Maneki as we have in Kitsune. So as we always say on this channel, know your cat, respect them, know their boundaries, so you can have a safe and fun time outdoors. In the meantime, if you want to check out our other adventure series, Adventures of a Siberian Cat or Epic Cat Chronicles, we will link to those playlists in the video description below. Also, in the meantime, we've been trying to post some cute cat clips showing the cats playing in the snow, and let me tell you, we have got a lot of snow this year. Just in March alone, Breckenridge Ski Resort is reporting 89 inches. That's over 7 feet, 2.2 meters for our cool cat crew friends who use the metric system. All of this snow is due to some major snowstorms that have caused avalanches, highway closures, and just general traffic pandemonium. But don't worry, we've stayed safe. We're pretty used to it living up here by now. We're definitely going to show you some clips of the cats having fun in all this deep snow, but you will see with their short little legs, it is hard for them to get around when it's so deep. So, another reason why we haven't been able to get out on the trails as much as usual. So, without further ado, I'm sure you guys don't come to this channel to hear me yapping. Let's see some cute cat stuff. So, again, if you could give us a like, subscribe, we would really appreciate it, and until next time, adventure on, cool cats.
Come on, baby. Come on, kitty. Maneki-chan. Kitsune, come. I'm gonna go outside. Good girl. You ready? Kitsune, sit. Good girl. Let's go, Peppers. Let's go. Mom. Nikki, come. What are you doing? No, don't mess over there. Come here. Come on. Monica-chan. Alright, babies. Let's go. Let's go, Kitsune. Good babies. Good girl. Let's go, babies. Let's go. Good girl. Not sure if you can hear that on camera, but there's been constant blasting for avalanches going on. Maneki. Come in. Come on. Maneki, come. Maneki-chan. Watching a bird. Yeah, baby. Snow trench. Maneki, come on. Let's go get Kitsune. Kitsune to the left. This usually happens. Kitsune's had enough. So she's gonna go out inside while Neki plays outside a little bit longer. Come on. Inside. Good baby. Thank you, Neki. You think you want to go outside? Yeah? Let's go see it. Oh my god. Holy blizzard, Batman. I told you. You don't even want to cross the threshold. You think you want to go out now? It's a no for Kitsune. Hard pass. Maneki, what's your verdict? You coming, Kitsune? You coming? She's not gonna be too happy when she comes around the corner. Yeah. Where's your path? Your path is bye-bye. No path. I'm sorry, baby. Oh, hey, now I can walk direct off the steps onto the snow. Not gonna try it though. Voluntarily going inside, that, like, never happens.
Don't forget, you can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, to which we always put links in the description below in our videos. And we also link to our merchandise website, where you can get cool Cat Crew t-shirts, hoodies, pet accessories, pet carrier backpacks, stickers, and more. It's a meowsing.